Yo, what's up everybody? This is David Clutch with the all new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a template in Ableton to specifically help you with your production process. This will help you get away from writer's block and help you move on to the next steps of your track or whatever production you're working on. So I think it's a good way to help with that. So let's just jump in. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and always be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. This is a great way to kind of frame out your whole track without getting writer's block in the way. And it's just going to help you move along, like I said earlier. But let's do it right now and just get kind of going here. So first things first, you're going to just, you want to just insert all your audio tracks that you would have in your track. So for example, for my tracks, I usually do three sets of a kick. I layer the kick. So we'll start with this right here. So you just press shift and then you go through and click them, and then you hit group. And then we're going to rename this group. So this is going to be the kick. You could leave these, but I usually rename them. So you'll have a high kick, a mid kick, and the low kick. And then you could have that whole group here. And then you're going to go on to your next track, and you could do a clap. I usually layer my claps too, but for the sake of making a faster video so you can just get the point and then follow your production skills, we'll just move along here. So we'll have the kick, the clap. You could do your hat. And then you could do your snares. So basically, you're going to go through and you're going to just keep adding however many tracks you want, or anything that you like to add to your track. So if you like to add one shots, you could just say one shots. You can go through and you can do your effects group. Have a sweep up. You can do a sweep down. All right, so then you can group these. Just press shift again, click those, group your tracks, rename this to FX. All right, so you'll have your effects. You could have your one shots. You could even add synths or whichever you choose. But you can even go like this if you really want to. And you press shift again. And then you can group all these again. And then you could just rename this group into drums. So then you'll have all your drums there. This one doesn't belong there, so we'll take it out. So there you go. You'll have your drums, you'll have your kicks within your drums, you'll have your claps, your hats, your snares. And you just keep adding to these and then make these templates. And you could even, if you want, fill these in. So you can, for example, start plugging in your drums. We'll just go ahead and just, for the sake of showing, just use this kick here. And we'll just put it in. And you can change the BPM of wherever you like to start your tracks. So let's just say you want to do 126. You can do 126. So you can leave that there, and then you can always change your kick out later. But this will help you just kind of get started right away. So if you want to just jump into a track, you just sit down, open up your Ableton, and you have an empty template like this, but it will have all of your basics in there, your hats, claps, snares, kicks. So we'll just add a clap also. We'll go with this clap right here. So there you go. You could do that. And then another thing too that I like to do, and I'm just going to do it for the sake of showing you, is I like to add markers up top. So let's see. So right here, you'll have your intro. And then it always helps to just grab a track that you like, something that you kind of are going for, an A-B track. So let's see, we'll just use, we'll go with this track. Oh. All right, so let's see. Actually, this is not a good example. We'll go with, let's see, where'd that track go? This should be a good example. All right. So let's just say you want to kind of follow this track, and just kind of follow the way it's structured. You can kind of just go through it and add your markers. So right here will be. So then you're going to add a locator, and you're going to put your drop there. And then you could put your, oh, no. Another locator here. And you're going to start your build. So you have your intro, your build, your drop. You can add another locator. You can do your break. And then you can add another locator right here. Another build. Add another locator. Your drop. All right, so So then there you have all these locators. So we'll just take that track out now. Okay, so then when you sit down to produce a track, you just have to kind of start filling this in. So you'll have your intro, drums, you'll have your claps going, and then you have a build, and then you'll have your drop, and then you have your break, another build up, and then a drop. And then you also have all these set up on the side here, and it just makes your process go so much faster. And it's going to take away all that writer's block that you have that's getting in the way of focusing on the real things like your synths and sounds that you should be focusing on. So then you want to know how to save this. All right. So you're done with your template. You're going to go up to your file, and then you're going to go to save live set as a template. And then right here, you're just going to go, I'm just going to name it example template. So then you have your example template. But you want to know how to be able to close out of Ableton and open it right back up into this template. You go File, Save Live Set as a default set. You click that. And then there you go. There's your default set. So anytime you open this up, it's going to open to this. So I'll show you really quick. We'll close out of Ableton. Let's go. Don't save. I'll just delete it. And then open it back up. And there you go. You have it right there. You just hop in and just start working. And then, like I said, you can always swap your kicks out at the end or however you're feeling. You could even swap them at the beginning. And it's just going to make it so much faster for you to do it this way. And if you ever want to change these the way these are, you can always go back through. You just delete them. And then if you want the drop to start right here, you would just go add locator and you can add the drop there. So cool. Well, I hope this helped you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Something to do to help you with your production process. And hopefully I can make more videos like this for you guys. So always make sure to like and subscribe, and I will keep pushing out videos like this for you. Other than that, thanks so much for watching.